About 2,000 years ago in China. Custom designed oars, I think you call them, for around $500 or $600 an oar. I think you only get one oar in this particular type of boat racing.
He controls the direction. It acts as a rudder, basically.
And the guy in the front, sitting in the chair?
It's really become a sport in the last 25 or so.
All right, real nice guy, hey? I thought I was going to go, but...
Your hair, clean your shoes, detail your car, leather furniture, wood cutting boards, only 5 ingredients.
Hey, please head back to the dog phone by 3, 4, 5, and 1. Thank you very much.
Are you one of these guys?
Yeah, yeah.
So is there a drum in every boat?
There is.
.ca or .com. You can check it out. I'm trying to catch it. I was trying to catch that smile.
There's still time. There's still time. Send me out. No reaction.
Us versus the Dubai Dragons. We kill it.
About 2,000 years ago in China, the dragon boat type of activities began. About the same time as the birth of Jesus Christ, the Son of God. Interesting, isn't it? And over the years, both have spread around the world. The Dragon Festival here in beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, the largest of its kind in North America, 250 teams. Coming from all over the world to participate in the Dragon Boat Festival.
Could I ask that all that identify as male please line up on the left side of your boat and everybody else on the right side of your boat. So if you have not been counted yet, those who identify as male on the left side, everybody else on the right. Thank you.
2 days here in beautiful Vancouver. This is part of my Vancouver Summer 2024 playlist series on Advisor Danny. Here's some of the activities today and tomorrow. Lots of concerts, lots of activities. They even have some kind of a drone show tonight. A design for a dragon boat. We want to get where we can see.
Afterburn was his passion. Yeah, he worked at corporate and like made a gym.
There's Saturday, Sunday, metal presentations. It's a big deal. This Chinese Dragon Boat Festival.
Okay, here's the lineup. Everybody listen up.
Also message in the group chat so we know where you are. If we're in Marshville and we don't see you, we're probably going to leave without you, and you have to be waiting and watching the order to make sure you arrive on time. So there's going to be 2 marking here, 3
A very friendly lady here. The teams are warming up. Some of the 250 teams participating. Summer is a beautiful time here in Vancouver, as you can tell, and one of the reasons I can plan schedule for being in this part of the world during June, July, August. The weather is good. Many festivals and activities. Today I've got at least 3 I'm going to. At least 3 different videos. Tomorrow, the same kind of story. And in the week and on the weekends, so many things going on in Vancouver. 25 food trucks setting up. Beautiful blankets. The joggers will not be deterred by the activities. Dedicated to their training, to the race. We were over there, walked there, looked at some of the teams, and then walked all along here, right beside Science World. Coming here to the end to see what we can see. Some of the teams getting in their dragon boats and preparing for the early morning races. People beginning to line up and get a place where they can watch the races.
Because when they finish, we can see there, we can say hi to them.
Billion buns. Huh. Sherman Ting Itty Bitty Studio based in Vancouver. 1,000 words.
Oh, are we gonna stay for the dinner?
Thousands of years ago, Chinese people held races to appease the dragon god who controlled rain, needed for rice crops. Patterns inspired by traditional porcelain rice bowls used by Chinese families at home contain motifs to recall this story. The speckles represent rice grains and raindrops, symbols of health and prosperity. Cool. So every 10 minutes there's a race coming down here for 2 days. 250 teams. I imagine there's different categories. I looked at some teams, didn't look like the athletic type, but enjoying themselves and participating in a social outing. And then there were some other teams I saw along the way that were taking this pretty seriously and looked like they could play in the NFL. The wide gamut and range. So this is a main stage here. Let's see what's inside here.
They started. We are.
I'll be with you then.
Oh, it's expected already.
The Hawaiian design. Yeah, he's the brains behind the operation. How many Canadian dishes? What are diesel? How much are diesel? Wait, how much is diesel? Okay.
Oh, yeah, the wooden. Oh, wait, these are wooden? Oh, that's.
No, wooden handle.
Like wooden.
Oh.
The wood ones are, those are 568 Canadian.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And how much do they weigh?
And that one, they are good. The wood ones are going to be a little bit heavier than the carbon shaft. Those are 400 grams. And so the carbon fiber ones are going to be like 390 grams. So you're going to drop some for sure.
Custom designed oars, I think you call them, for around $500 or $600 an oar. I think you only get one oar in this particular type of boat racing.
Because there's no pressure on your neck.
Email and I'll send you a receipt.
So there's... that dog just licked my leg. So all kinds of things here having to do with boats and things that have nothing to do with boats. But I guess if you made arrangements, you're able to put up your... Here comes another race. They're beating a drum. I don't know if they have a drum in every boat, Do they have a drum in every boat?
I think so.
Do they? Hi! You're beautiful. Why aren't you racing?
She wants to be the drummer.
She wants to be the drummer.
Let the others pass.
Are you one of these guys?
Yeah.
So is there a drum in every boat?
There is.
And what's the significance of that?
It's a cultural thing.
Okay.
At this race, it's optional whether or not you actually use the drum, but at a lot of other races, it's mandatory that you actually use the drum.
So it's 2 days of racing.
Yeah.
250 teams.
I don't know how many teams actually.
I read that.
250, really. Wow.
Biggest in North America.
It is the biggest race.
2,000 years of Chinese history.
That's right, yeah.
Other than that, I don't know anything. Like, is there the same number in every boat of rowers? Or
It's not required, but yeah, it's about 20 people, 20 paddlers, and then a drummer and a steersman.
20 people, 1 drummer, 1 steersman.
That's right.
The guy in the back or the front is the boss?
Well, it's I guess both, I suppose.
Both.
I mean, at the end of the day, you have to listen to the steersman because he's going to make sure you don't crash.
He is the one
On the back with a big oar.
He gets he's in the back with the big oar.
Yeah.
And he is telling them which side to go harder, or
No, he's just telling them when to go, in the direction. It acts as a rudder, basically.
and the guy in the front sitting in the chair.
Front is like telling them when to go harder, like how to correct their form if someone's out of time.
So do those two ever contradict each other?
Usually not, because they kind of have different roles.
Okay.
But they'll kind of cooperate to call the finish, for example. So most teams in the last 100 meters or so, they'll call a finish, and that's when they'll amp up the rate and try to, squeeze out another 2 miles per hour or so.
It's an amazing kind of sport.
Yeah.
There are different divisions.
There are different divisions, yeah.
So beginner.
It's not really based on beginner or not.
Okay.
It's the divisions are based on age.
Oh, okay.
So there'll be usually there'll be like a high school division. There'll be what they call a U24 division, people under 24.
Okay.
And then the premier runs from I think age 25 up through 40.
25 to 40 is
Yeah.
premier, so that's the best athletes.
Well, it's
in
gonna
their
be
prime.
based on age at least, yeah.
Okay.
And then after that, there's senior A from I think 41 to 50, senior B from 50 to 60, senior C from 60 and on.
60 to 100.
Well, we have one of the paddlers on our team. I think is in her 70s. Yeah. Yeah.
That and how do they pick the teams?
Usually there's we call them time trials.
Time trials.
So
okay.
I mean, I think over here even they'll rent what are called outrigger canoes, OC1s.
Okay.
So for our team, we'll get on those things and then we'll have 2 minutes to just go as far as you can, and then they'll use that to rank everybody on the team.
So on the team, you are ranked.
Yeah.
Joining the team is
Anyone can join the team.
Anyone can join.
Yeah, but like for local races, when we bring more people out, we'll have like 5 or 6 boats.
Okay.
And then it'll be based on your ranking within the team, which boat you're on.
Do you have sponsors, or who pays for it all?
I mean, there's club dues. We wish. I mean, we'd be happy to have sponsors, but sponsors are pretty hard to come by.
So most of the teams, each individual helps pick up the costs of the boats and the
there's like
oars.
annual dues and whatnot. And then for the boats, it's like a lot of different teams. Like we're from California, so there's the California Dragon Boat Association.
California Dragon Boat Association. Okay.
Right. So my understanding is all the teams in California will like take a portion of the dues and then contribute it to the association, and the association pays for the boats.
Is this your first time in Canada?
No, I was here last year. This is the second time.
Second time coming here. Did you win last year?
We did not win last year, but we're trying to this year.
You want to win the whole thing?
Oh yeah.
So the premier, the best races, the fastest ones happen during the day or later in the day?
It's all throughout.
It's mixed in.
Yeah, so I think most of the ones in the morning today, they're all like the qualifying races, so all the teams are pretty spread out. And then what happens is they'll seed people into the later races based on how well you do in the first couple.
Why do you do the dragon boat races? Why do you do it?
I guess I started because I just wanted to get in shape.
Okay.
But there's really, to me personally, there's no other sport like it.
Okay.
I mean, I think there's very few sports out there where, like at any given moment while you're competing, you're like pulling for all of your teammates and everybody has to be in sync. You think of most other team sports, even like, let's say basketball, football, whatever it is.
Sure.
Right? It's like the amount of pain you feel at any given moment is not dependent on how much pain everyone else is feeling.
Right.
This one, you're really pulling for everybody else on the boat. So it's
you can tell around you if everybody is pulling their weight after you spend some time.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Because you'll get a sense for how the boat feels when it's going well and how it feels when it's going poorly. So
I
it's
can
really
imagine
exhilarating.
it'd be kind of funny having a race where all of a sudden somebody's just pulling back a little bit because they just don't feel it.
No
or
one's
something.
gonna pull back in something like this. but,
Everybody's going hard.
Yeah, last year in the finals, I think Juice had a gentleman whose paddle broke mid-race, and he still had to keep, moving with the boat to not screw up his teammates.
The rhythm.
Yeah, exactly.
Did they do okay, or it
I
made?
think they still placed. Actually,
Wow.
I think got third or something. Yeah.
I noticed the guy down here that has custom oars, and I overheard him
really?
talking to somebody. $569.
Yeah, for some of them. Yeah. I mean, I bought mine in college. This was like $80.
Trojan.
Yeah, they're usually like, $300 for a carbon fiber paddle, and then if you're getting it like an outrigger paddle, they're like $400 or $500. Yeah.
What's your name?
Alan.
I'm Danny.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you, Alan,
Yeah,
for
no
taking time.
problem.
The YouTube advisor Danny are going to be on it, and it's really helpful information because as you can tell, I know nothing about this.
Yeah.
And
Glad to share.
I'm very interested to pick up things and share them with whoever wants to watch, and there'll be others that you have really given. Is there anything else you would think of that people should know about the sport of dragon boat racing?
No, just come check it out.
Anybody
give it a
can
try.
do
It's
it
a
if
lot
they
of
can.
fun. Yeah, anybody can. I mean, all the teams are always happy to. It's a very welcoming sport, I'm sure, as you can tell.
I can tell people are friendly. They
Yeah,
enjoy
yeah.
the camaraderie.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thanks a lot.
All right, no
I
problem.
hope you guys do great.
Thank you. Well, our team is my good friend Tex, so keep an eye out for us. We're trying to win it this
You're
year.
coming up? Okay.
No, we just raced, but we're going to come up in the afternoon.
Thanks a lot.
All right, take it easy.
You too. Bye-bye. What a nice guy, willing to share some time here. So I found some people that we can talk about and learn a little bit about the dragon boat racing business. They pay for it themselves. Most of them don't have sponsors. Oh, look at this big dog. All right, they're coming in. We'll catch another race here in just a second. You can hear the drums beating in each of the boats. Most of them have a drum going off. Something to do with the momentum, the history, and I think there goes, looks like we got a winner coming in. Wow, that one won by a lot.
Yeah, and it's always the middle lane too. I don't know what the deal is, but
It's the middle lane is the good one? Are you a racer?
yes.
Where are you from?
Oh wait, sorry, hold on a sec.
Oh, you gotta catch this? You got a boat in there?
Yeah, that's one of our boats over there.
Which one? This second?
This one on the edge here. The
Oh, this one here?
right-hand side. That's right. Look,
Where's it from?
Alameda, California. So
California,
just outside
oh.
of San Francisco. Oh, epic! That's great, guys. Fantastic.
Yes, come on, ADF.
Let's do it, guys. Come on.
Woo! Yep. Okay.
There you go. Here, John.
Go ADF! Woo! Woo! ADF! Woo! It's okay. If I ask someone, it's like
Port of Vancouver.
good morning.
Hey, how are you? You were in another event I was at. What were you doing? At the wellness show, I think. No, you.
Me, We're wellness show, yeah.
I think it was the same company. There was a guy with you.
Yes, that would be her son.
Yeah, you're a star on one of my videos.
Where do those videos, sir?
What's that?
Where do these videos go?
Advisor Danny. There's a wellness show video in the YouTube section, the playlist.
And she's starring in it?
She's starring in it.
And where do we find it?
Advisor Danny.
Okay.
Now you're going to be on the next one. All right, let's see what else we got here.
So I said, okay, you take
Oh, you can have virtual then.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Dragon Boat Canada.
Need 5. 5 of us are all buying glasses.
Okay, what else we got over here? So they're going to be concerts, I think. Things like that over here. Red Trucker beer. And then just a lot of people. They're all teens. They wear the same kind of garb. No alcohol beyond this point. I just wanted to see what was over here. And then I read there's 25 food trucks in here. Okay. Wow, what is that? A lot of activity inside the oddball tent. Must be one of the main dragon boat vendors or suppliers. From here, I'm going to a park where there is some kind of summer camp, more importantly, some kind of rib fest thing going on. My brother told me about it a couple days ago. And so that's my next planned stop. And after that, in a video to come, will be my stop at the BC Halal Food Festival out in Surrey. So, we're starting this morning here at the Concord Dragon Boat races. From here, we're going to the summer camp and Rib Fest, and then later, the BC Halal Food Festival. All right, this gives you a little taste of the Concord Dragon Boat racing. The nut merchant. Gives you an idea on some of the food vendors that are here.
Yeah, that's sweet.
Yeah, I did.
Can you braid my hair right now? There's nothing interesting.
Oh, there we go. We can get a better view up there on the big screen. That's what we can do. That is so cool. So I guess you can actually watch this live.
I was just like, no, I know that's
We'll try to catch a race. Look at the beautiful photography. Somewhere,
trying to correct it as soon as possible.
I guess from up above they've got cameras.
Oh yeah.
I think they got drones up there.
All over the place.
I guess I just thought there was somebody on a roof.
Someone's kayaking behind the board.
Yeah.
What's the prize for winning this whole thing? Do you guys know?
Bragging rights.
Yeah.
Pride.
There's no big material.
There's no monetary prize or
No.
anything. Yeah.
So, and people compete in different divisions?
Yeah, so the first 2 races are qualifying, so they'll take your 2 combined times.
Okay.
They'll put you in different divisions.
Okay.
Tomorrow, that's when you have to win like 1st and 2nd place to get further put into your finals.
Oh, okay.
And then usually the last race, you're more on your
Your
skill
level.
Yeah.
So
So these, like you're seeing other teams just like blow other people out.
when you come here as a team, you kind of know where you're gonna kind of come out at the end of the time?
For the
Or
most part, you have an idea of like where you'll seat in, but you know,
is everybody pretty competitive, or is it more a social thing?
it's about half and half probably. Yeah.
Half and half?
There's some that are very competitive, that they compete on the world level, and then it goes all the way to like, we put a team on because we wanted to participate.
Why did it start? Why did Dragon Boat Racing start?
Oh, I don't know.
Traditionally, it came from China, and then it's gotten westernized, I think, a lot over the last like 40, 50 years.
Yeah.
It's really become a sport in the last 25 or so.
25 years?
Yeah.
Where people really get into it.
Where it's been like this, yeah.
So this is the biggest race in North America.
I read that. I read there are 250 teams.
Yeah.
And I read maybe 2,000 years of tradition, but I didn't know why it exactly got started. What's the name of your team?
Wasabi Burn.
Wasabi. Are you from Vancouver?
We're from Portland.
Portland, Oregon. Welcome to Canada.
Yeah, great.
You're going to be on YouTube.
Okay, cool.
Advisor Danny. The Portland, Oregon Wasabi.
Yep, Wasabi Burn.
Wasabi Burn.
Yeah.
Wish you guys good luck.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for sharing some time. All right, real nice guy, hey? I thought I was going to go, but it's a cool looking team. I want to walk one more time through here, and then we'll get out of here. I've been going for 10 minutes now, but then I would see or meet somebody, run into somebody, and share a little bit of time with. Now marshaling. So we're piecing together little by little the way in which this has come together. 2,000 years of history, but maybe over the last 25 years it's become the kind of competitive sport it is right now. Maintaining balance. It's kind of cool. Okay, this is when they're racing. There we go.
There's a lot of weirdness happening.
Oh, beautiful. Hi.
Feel free to take anything if you want. We have these like these tips and tricks.
Beautiful. Mr. House. Where are we at here? A little jar of wow. A little jar of wow.
Little jar of wow.
That's a great branding. Whoever did that was a very intelligent person.
Yes, she absolutely is.
You
Not me.
Dry hands and cracked heels, and people can find you searching for wow.
On Instagram, Little Jar of Wow.
Little jar of wow. Okay, we're gonna put it in the YouTube. Maybe you'll get a customer.
All right. All natural, multi-purpose product. Good
All
for,
natural.
Yeah, multi-purpose product. Over 100 ways to use it.
So primarily for cracked heels.
Now you can put it on your skin, your hair, clean your shoes, detail your car, leather furniture, wood cutting boards. Only 5 ingredients.
What's the secret sauce? What's it made of?
Cosmetic grade beeswax, avocado oil, coconut oil, castor oil, and vitamin E.
All natural.
All natural.
No chemical.
No chemical.
No shelf stable stuff.
Nothing.
Very nice.
Yeah.
I wish you a lot of success.
Thank you very much.
Little jar of wow. That sounds like a magic product. That sounds like something everybody should have in their car or in their washroom. So many different uses. See here? Okay. That's Science World. Over there is where they play football and soccer. Beside that, on the other side is where they play hockey. Right through there, you can see the arena, much smaller, 20,000 maybe. This is maybe 60. It's where the boats come in. Look at all the people. All right. So these are teams that come in here. IP in pools, okay? And then they head out, and it's like a circus. Over there, they're doing the racing. We were on the other side watching them. We're gonna look at the big screen one more time. Inventory. Okay. We're having too much fun, but we got more places to go, more people to meet, more experiences. All right, all ages. All ages having a great time.
Including the whatever we need to cross the finish line. Okay, you know what? I called that a little bit before. So I didn't.
I like that. All right. So, whether or not you're into this kind of thing, kind of feels like a fun day and a fun activity. 2 days. Today, a lot of qualifying. Sounds like tomorrow's the big finals kind of in each division. So I think you can watch it online. Concord Dragon Boat Racing, maybe .ca or .com. You can check it out. I'm trying to catch it. I was trying to catch that smile. All right, there's the instant replay. Boom. I told you we'd do one more. My summer, Vancouver, 2024. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.